If you hear a loud rumbling from underneath the driver's door on your 8th gen Civic, this is most likely this piece of the exhaust that has gone bad. You can use some soapy water to try to pinpoint it, but sometimes it's just a pinhole leak that the soapy water will not show. Sometimes around those little welded plates on the stock pipe, it leaks and the soapy water will show that. Removal of this part is also a bit tricky as it has the flanges and you can break the bolts if they're rusted, which happened to me. So you may be best off just buying this part and taking it to a shop to have them install it on a lift for you.